Hi everyone, you're on the Clay Camilla channel, and today I'll be sculpting Lily Lovebraids and Chum Chompkins from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. If you want to be featured in the next video, then leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and count how many times Catnap's head appears in this video. I'll choose the first 10 correct answers. Next up for sculpting is the secondary antagonist of Chapter 5, Lily Lovebraids. She is a doll with bright beige skin and huge expressive eyes. Her face is always decorated with a wide, childlike smile, and that's exactly what makes her so unsettling. Her main feature is her long purple hair braided into several massive plaits. The ends of the braids resemble a scorpion's tail, a claw, or a blooming lily bud. The braids can change shape, grow larger, and act like independent limbs. Her outfit consists of a black apron dress with a yellow star on the chest, a lavender short-sleeve shirt, purple star-patterned socks, and shiny lilac shoes. In her deranged form, she barely changes. Only her hair becomes tangled and more aggressive in shape. She doesn't see herself as evil. To her, everything that's happening is just a fun game. Before becoming a toy, Lily was a Playtime Company employee named Grace Green. Formerly known as Miss Gracie, she worked on brainwashing experiments for the company. Shortly before the hour of joy, her body was prepared for transfer into a toy. Inside the dollhouse, you can find her ID card and a skeleton with a bandaged skull. Lily takes care of her own corpse and plays tea party with it, one of the creepiest details in the chapter. Appearance in Chapter 5. Lily meets the player on Sweet Street, suddenly appearing from behind. She wraps the player in her hair and transports them to the dollhouse. The gameplay then revolves around her games, such as preparing for the tea party, the musical game, and the tea party with the prototype. In the finale, the player uses the crusher hand to knock down the cloud Lily is standing on. The cloud falls and crushes her. the dark corridors of the Playtime Factory, there are creatures everyone fears. And then there are those who are feared but shouldn't be. Chum Chompkins belongs to the second kind. Chum Chompkins is the quiet giant of Chapter 5, Broken Things. Chum is a large, round creature covered in thick red fur. His body looks like a mix between a plush toy and a beast. He has short, thick arms and legs, big yellow hands with 4 fingers, and massive 3-toed feet. His huge, asymmetrical eyes, one positioned higher than the other, give him an odd, uneasy look. And a mouth. But his mouth isn't on his face. It's located on the upper part of his belly. It's wide, full of sharp teeth, and can open large enough to fit an adult human inside. Because of his fur and overall appearance, Chum resembles Huggy Wuggy and Kissy Missy. That's why many fans believe he belongs to the Wuggy range line. When the player first encounters Chum, he grabs them and tries to swallow them, and he would have if Giblet hadn't intervened. He barely speaks. Because of the placement of his mouth, his voice sounds like muffled grunting. Like many of the factory's monsters, Chum was once a child. During the company's active years, Chum Chompkins toys were created for children. Later, an orphan was experimented on as part of the Bigger Bodies initiative. His purpose was unusual. He served as a living quiet corner for sensitive children, placing them inside his mouth to help them calm down. But the children were afraid of him. After the hour of joy, Chum remained among the surviving toys. 10 days later, under orders from the prototype, he captured employee Preston Willard and swallowed him. Later, Chum became Giblet's secret informant. Why? Perhaps he owes him his life. Or maybe he simply grew tired of living in fear. Appearance in Chapter 5. The player first sees Chum in an elevator while escaping from Hoggy. His role in gameplay includes a key story connecting character, participant in a tense stealth scene with the prototype, a temporary hiding place for the player, and a symbol of division within the prototype's forces. The most intense moment comes when the prototype appears. Chum instantly hides the player inside his stomach. In the world of broken things, Chum is one of the few beings still capable of making a choice. And perhaps that's why he quietly disappears into the darkness of the corridor, not as an enemy, but as a silent ally. here they are. These awesome characters turned out amazing. Let me know in the comments who I should sculpt in the next video, and tell me, who did you like more, Lily or Chum? I read almost all of your comments and always try to like and respond to the most creative and original ones. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next sculpting video.